Hello, greeting and good afternoon, everyone. Before we start this presentation, I think we introduce ourselves first. So my name is Vivian Scalvi Robert and metric number 203461.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Shakir bin Shamshaza, metric number 204003.
Greetings everyone. My name is Estelinda Anak JC. My metric number is 201960.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira binti Shukri. My metric number is 201962.
Okay, our title for this mini project is drip irrigation drippers used in fertigation system for cropping system. So fertigation is a method of fertilize through a drip irrigation system. In this system, liquid fertilizer is channeled in the irrigation. This high availability of nutrition in this system allow fertilizer to be taken up by plant efficiently. In this study, we will study some type of dripper, irrigation, and drainage system, as well as the cost of expenditure to provide a complete fertigation system. This study was also conducted in Unit Fertigasi Agrotech, Taman Pertanian University at University Putra Malaysia. So our objective for this study is we have 3 objectives. So the first objective is to identify the type of dripper used on the farm for the fertigation system. Second, to identify the irrigation and drainage system in the farm and make a water flow rate test for the fertigation system. And third, to record the cost per unit needed to set up the complete irrigation system. Okay, for the method for this study is first, we make a visit to Unit Fertigation Agrotech, Taman Pertanian University at University Putra Malaysia. Second, analyze the type of dripper used in fertigation system. Next, study the irrigation and drainage system available in the farm. Next, make water flow rate test for the fertigation system. And finally, we record the cost per unit needed to set up the complete irrigation system. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
First, we will continue about the first one. So the first one is what is it called? The adjustable dripper. Okay, we got 3 kind of nozzle that used in fertigation. Okay, the first one is adjustable dripper. The second one is Strobel adjustable spike dripper, and lastly band drip irrigation. So on the first one, I will tell you about the detail about the adjustable dripper. Okay, these drippers allow the option of changing the flow rate of water to each individual plant. So this dripper controls or stops the flow of water through the drip line. Adjustable drippers are ideal for balancing systems that have a few water-hungry plants on the same line as plants that require less water. It is available in 360 and 180 patterns for individuals, plants, or closely spaced plantings. Also, it is great for planter boxes, large pots, ground covers, and shrubs. Drippers can be placed using 1/4 micro tubing or connected directly into the mainline tubing. So the flow rate for this adjustable dripper is 0.5 to 70 liter per hour. Okay, the next one is shrubber adjustable spike dripper. Okay, shrubber adjustable spike dripper equipped with spike to anchor it to the soil used to deliver water to an individual plant. Drop after drop with extreme precision. This consists of spike for positioning, side entry connection, and break off bulb adapter. Okay, the bulb is used for direct attachment to feeder and supply lines. So easily disassembled for cleaning. The flow rate can be adjusted by twisting the cap. Fully open can produce high volume flow and a large diameter spray. It is also suitable for pots, tubes, ground cover, landscape gardens, and nurseries. So on this nozzle, the flow rate is adjustable from 0 to 40 liters per hour. Okay, lastly, the pen drip irrigation. This type of nozzle is popular irrigation kit, a hot selling garden watering system, and excellent irrigation system that can be used for automated watering flowers, automatic plant watering, and auto watering. It can help you save time and water. With this little irrigation system, you can effortlessly water all of your plants. It may be adjusted to fit throws, pots, hanging basket, and garden beds of various sizes. When your tap tight, thread adapter, and open water, it may be automated irrigation. So this method also saves up to 70% more water than typical sprinklers by directing water straight to the root. So flowers, plants, bonsai, and potted fruit for family homes, hotel clubs, workplace, and other intelligence care plants. So the flow rate is 0.26 to 0.28 liter per minute. So that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
To continue this presentation, farm we set watering time and at least 2 times a day. Measure and water will flow along the pipe and directly to the dripper pen tools. Okay, based on survey, they use the dripper pen in the irrigation system. So the first picture, we can see irrigation frame. Among the component in the irrigation system, the first component is dripper or emitter. And the dripper is a device installed at the end of the micro tube in which the fertilizer solution comes out to the base of the plant. The second component is the lateral lines. Okay, this component is installed horizontal, especially for gravity methods and the use of pump at the small in pressure. Okay, next component is main lines. Main lines pipe usually diameter between 32 millimeter and 40 millimeter. Okay, next is secondary line. Okay, secondary line is usually diameter between 32 millimeter and 40 millimeter. Okay, the last component is filter. Okay, filter needs to filter foreign object from the getting into the irrigation system. Okay, the last component is timer, is to carry out at the frequency and quantity. Okay, we can see the water flow rate for the pen dripper. And the first is 120 milliliter per 13 second, and the second is 120 milliliter, and the third is 140 milliliter. Okay, Shaki, can you scroll?
Okay.
Okay. You can see the second picture is the pen dripper, and the third is the chart or to the water flow rate. I want to pass to Esther.
Thank you to the presenter. Now I will tell about the cost of installation for the complete fertigation system. This cost is for the pen dripper. And here is the equipment needed for a complete irrigation system. And also, beside is the price per unit for every equipment needed. The price of unit is taken from the source Pewaris Bumi Hijau online website. Next slide. For the appreciation, I will give to the Muhammad Shakir.
Okay, thank you. Everybody's appreciation. Thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because with His grace, we have been able to complete this mini project. Okay, to the staff in Agrotech Fertigation Unit, University Agricultural Park TPU at University Putra Malaysia. We are very grateful for allowing us to conduct this research in the fertigation farm. A big gratitude to technician Dr. Ahmad Swaizi for guiding us from the beginning to the end of this project. Thanks to Mrs. Ruby from Agrotech Fertigation Unit of her explanation and sharing information about the fertigation system we have found.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Shakir, for giving the appreciation. Now I will continue for the conclusion. In conclusion, we have been able to complete this study based on the objective and goals we have set. From the conducted project, there are 3 types of dripper used in fertigation system, which are adjustable dripper, Schraubler adjustable spike dripper, and pen drip irrigation. The form of irrigation and drainage system in setting up the fertigation system and identifying water flow rate are playing important roles to ensure each plant receives a sufficient amount of liquid fertilizer. Finally, based on this study, we found the cost per unit required to provide equipment for a complete fertigation system. We hope in future, more research on other types of irrigation dripper can be done in helping the farmers in managing their crops effectively. And here are the references in doing our class mini project. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.